Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Maya card for payments. First, make sure your Maya card, whether physical or virtual, is activated within the Maya app. This is a crucial initial step to ensure it's ready for use. Next, always check that your Maya account has enough funds to cover your intended purchases. You can easily top up your account through various channels. Finally, for online shopping, link your Maya card to your preferred e-commerce sites or digital wallets for a smooth checkout experience. When making online purchases, using your Maya card is straightforward. At checkout, simply choose the credit or debit card option. You will then be prompted to enter your card details, the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV code found on the back of your physical card or within the app for virtual cards. Always double-check the transaction amount and merchant details before confirming your payment. This ensures a secure and accurate online shopping experience every time. For in-store purchases, your physical Maya card works just like any other debit card. When you're ready to pay, present your card to the cashier. You can either insert your card into the EMV chip reader or simply tap it on the contactless terminal for quick transactions. For certain amounts, or if the terminal requires it, you might be asked to enter your 4-digit personal identification number. Always keep your card in sight and ensure the transaction amount is correct before completing the payment. Keeping your Maya card secure is paramount. Always safeguard your card number, expiration date, CVV, and especially your personal identification number. Never share these details with anyone. Make it a habit to regularly review your transaction history within the Maya app to quickly spot any unfamiliar charges. If your physical card is ever lost or stolen, or if you suspect unauthorized use, immediately block or report it through the Maya app to prevent any fraudulent transactions. Stay vigilant and enjoy secure payments.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.